Hi everyone, this is Mayur and hope you are doing absolutely fine. And today I'm going to tell you about something about this what you see in this package. It's Boat Rockers 550 headphones, wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones as you might call it. And these are one of the best headphones that I have heard on YouTube, and also the reviews are good. So in the further video we'll just see more about the headphones, but before that let's talk about how I decided to buy this. Well, yeah, it's not much interesting, but I was the someone well, I'm currently around 21 years old. I've been doing a job lately, so that's it. And from the start, like when I was in college, we all have used the 30 rupees headphones, maybe or maybe not, 50 rupees earphones that were sold in the railways or on the station. And I have also used pretty much of them, and some have really lasted long, and some of the earphones have really lasted long, like 6 months uh, is too much for a 50 rupees earphones. So that's something to appreciate. So after that I bought last year I bought a Boat Bassheads 900 series wired headphone for around 700 rupees from Flipkart, which was great, but it was on-ear headphones. So when I would plug it in on the ears, it would hurt me some bit. So I discontinued using them. I mean, I would use them mostly for like 30 to 40 minutes at once, and only once or twice that I have watched a whole movie on it. So yeah, it was uncomfortable for me. So that's when I had decided to buy some over the ear headphones which don't like stick onto the ears and don't make the pressure. So I decided to buy these Boat Rockers 550. So let's get a quick and let's start unboxing the headphones. So this is the box of headphones that I have received. This is the Chikatpatti, and it says it's eco-friendly packaging. So they have put this, and if you want you can order with the regular packaging, but we are okay with this. So we'll just try to open it. Here's a knife. Let's put a hole. So let's cut this. Oh. Look at them. It looks so. Just look at them. They look very beautiful. At least to me. I don't know about you or in the camera, but they look pretty nice over here. These are the headphones, Rockers 550 as it is mentioned, and here's a sneaky peek of the headphones, and it says "Rhythm of the Nirvana," which is their tagline. Here's a name, blah 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 blah, marketed by etc etc, and here are some of the features which are quick connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 50 dynamic drivers. Most of the headphones around this price range come with 40 millimeter drivers, and these are the ones with 50, so which is a great thing. And it has got a 500 mAh battery capacity, which is like 20 hours of playback time as it is claimed by both. And over here headphones and physical noise cancellation. Sorry, my English sucks. The package contains one pair of headphones, a USB charging cable, not a type C cable, the micro USB one, and an aux cable which is audio cable. So let's open the box. Come on. I don't even have the nails. Well, I'm excited to see this. Ah, it looks beautiful around here. Oh my god. These are the best headphones that I have seen at least till now, because I'm not used much of the headphones, and these look absolutely well. So let's just open them. What else do we get? Here's a warranty card inside. And what else it is? This is the user manual of the headphones, functions and everything. We won't read them. These are some of the other products, cables, etc., etc., etc. So we'll keep it aside. The book. Here are some stickers which say boat head, and here comes some charging cable and aux cable. These are the USB to micro USB type cable, which are good. And let's come to the headphones. So these are the headphones. They look pretty huge, at least to me. The size is big. They look absolutely great. And this is the warranty card. You have to scan this, or you can go to the website to claim the 1 year warranty on the headphones. So let's get these headphones out and see. Oh my, they look absolutely great. I mean, look at the colors. It is red and black, which has always been my favorite. So I'll just try wearing them once. So as you can see, my ears are completely covered by the cushions of the headphones, and which are extremely soft. There is no pressure or something like that. And I feel like although there is no active noise cancellation, but I feel like little isolated, because I cannot hear the voice of the fan or noise of the kids playing down the stairs. So it feels actually nice. And just have a look at the headphones, and they are pretty big, just like my hand, more than my hand. And I'll just remove them once and see them again. Ah, it feels great to have this. I've never used such. Well, this is the cushioning of the headphones, which is really great. And I have seen that the other one, which was like Soundcore Q10, it comes with memory cushioning, something which is called. But these are also good. And here's the headset around this neckband. You get the branding of boat, and here is also a little bit cushioning, although it is made of plastic, but the quality looks very good. And here there is it is like cloth something. So these are, and here is a left and right symbol over here. So that's it about the headphones. Now we'll see about the ports and everything. So on our right side, there we can see power button, which switches on and off the headphones. And there are some volume rockers to increase or decrease the volume. And here's a 3.5 mm jack for using the headphones when there's no Bluetooth connection, or when there's no battery left in it. And there is a charger. You can charge it in around 2 hours, I guess. And here's a phone on the headphones. So it is Absolutely great looking headphone. Now what do I do? Well, I don't have other phone to test these headphones right now. So for more reviews, you can watch the other people's videos on the YouTube, and I guess these are one of the best headphones under the price of 2000. And I actually got this for around 1600 rupees because there was some sale going on the Boat's website yesterday, which had like 20% off with the coupon code BOAT20. I don't know which if it is still applicable yet, but you can try them. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And if I could, I might upload one more video about this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to have good times with these headphones.